In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme on Discord. If you've ever wanted your Discord to feel more like you, or you just want to make the interface easier on your eyes, changing the theme is a quick and simple way to do it. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what each option means, and a few tips to help you pick the look that fits you best. Start by opening Discord and look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your avatar and username. That gear opens your user settings. Give it a click to open the settings panel. This is where all your personal app preferences live, and we're heading straight to the visual ones. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll until you see the appearance section, then select it. The appearance page controls how Discord looks and feels on your device. Right at the top, you'll find the default theme options. For most people, that means choosing between a light theme and a dark theme. The light theme keeps things bright and clean, while the dark theme reduces glare and can feel easier on the eyes, especially at night or in dim rooms. If your device supports it, you may also see the option to match your system setting, which automatically switches Discord's theme to follow your computer's light or dark mode. As you click through these default choices, you'll see the app update instantly. There's no save button needed here. Everything applies right away. So you can preview how channels, messages, and sidebars will look as you test different options. Take a moment to scroll around your servers and make sure text contrast and message readability feel comfortable for you. If you have Discord Nitro, you'll also see a set of color themes on this page. These give you additional, curated color palettes that go beyond the standard light and dark choices. Pick a color theme you like, and you'll see the interface adopt those accents in real time. It's a nice way to add a bit of personality without sacrificing clarity. Once you've found a look you love, you're done. Simply close the settings panel or click back to your server list. Your chosen theme stays active. Remember, you can return to the appearance section anytime to tweak things if your environment changes or you want to switch things up. That's all it takes. Open settings with the gear icon, select appearance, choose from the default theme colors, or, if you have Nitro, try the color themes. Changes take effect immediately, and your Discord is refreshed with your new style.